Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
Like I tell people, I make this joke all the time. Everybody do a good job at what they're doing, but these companies not going to reach out to you and say, look, you're doing, I see your payment pattern. Can you change, maybe we could do this to help you get your scores up together and so you won't continue to make these late payments. And it's just like your boss calling you and say, you're doing a good job, I'm going to give you a raise. No, you got to open your mouth and ask or start looking and looking into it. You got to ask for what you want. And again, the same thing is with reaching out to the women. I got to bring up her case because here's a single mom with 5 kids. Now, women, you think you're dealing with some challenges? And I'm going to say out to you, if she could do it, you could do it too. She had dealt with a lot of challenges through the whole case, having garnishments and everything. And, rental garnishments. We worked on her information. I gave her the property information. I gave her the phone number she should contact. She got herself on a payment plan. She worked it out. She settled the information. I got on the phone with the company also. We settled the information. Within 3 to 6 months' time, she went out to start looking for houses. She found a house in Orange County, a house of, I think, 4 or 5 bedrooms in that area, affordable home, a comfortable mortgage. Again, that's where her life really, the new beginning came in. The genesis is what I call it.
And this is in New York.
New York.
Yeah. Okay.
So again, just give you an idea for the single women. You think you're down and out, and this home ownership thing is not going to happen for you. It could happen for you. I'm actually in process right now working with her to refinance her house. So again, you listen out there listening, saying, you know what, this won't happen for me, or I'm dealing with this. Your credit is not the issue. There's government-backed programs that allow you. We can go evaluate your information, look at your information, and say, the underwriter look at it and say, okay, you got these accounts that you're past due on. Fine. Let's come up with a legitimate explanation. You bring these accounts current, and now you're approved. You're on your way of starting to look for a house. Evaluate what you're currently living in right now. It could be like a 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom, whatever the case may be. Look at what you're currently paying right now. Like I was just talking a second ago about the rent. If you're paying $1,000 a month times 12, where's that money going? Mm-hmm. There's nothing. You got to take some time for you to look at this and say, where is this money going? Where is this money going to be applied? So again, this money could be applied to your home if you start consciously thinking about, my next pay is coming to this. Where are you laying? Where are your investments coming? Squeeze on the radio. Scott's talk on the radio. A lot of the other loan officers at First Republic is talking about it. We on the radio basically reaching out to the community. Here the culture. My mission basically right now is single women for home ownership, because I want them to, believe and really see this dream can happen.
You know what? Why don't you do it for them, Chris? Seeing, they can do all of this, but you know what? Let's give them some free advice, some free counseling, and some free consultations today. I notice you have a team with you here in the studio.
That's it.
I want everyone out there that's thinking about their credit issues, who have even had bankruptcies. I want people out there who happens to be in a house that they really know that they can't afford. You can refinance and speak with Chris and Jason about your options in exiting and getting an affordable house. Okay. I want people out there who believe that the interest rate that they have is the wrong interest rate. Okay. To call up. Let's give you a much lower interest rate. I want people out there with real estate problems, with financing real estate problems, that is, or real estate financing problems, to just pick up the phone and understand that First Republic Mortgage Bankers is not just a bank that's just going to give you a loan and leave you alone, or that's all they're going to give you. No, folks. There's a lot more about a financial institution, or what a financial institution should give you. At First Republic Mortgage Bankers, they work with you like family. All right? So make that call right now. The number here in the studios to speak with Chris and his team, even if you just want to have your Tri-Merge credit report done to find out what your credit is like. If you want to get pre-approved right now, you can do that. You want to get fully approved, sometimes in as little as 2 days, you can find that out right now. But you've got to make the phone call. You've got to take the first step, and that is to make the call to the studios. Now, when you call people, there's absolutely no obligations. I know some of you, is a little bit apprehensive about calling. Make the call. sort out your life right now before that adjustable rate mortgage kicks in. The number is 718-325-5555. They're here in the radio studios and they would like to speak with you. That's 718-325-5555. Yes, we have other loan officers such as John Fahim, Tony Shafiq, Rajin, Shazim, Sandy, directly at First Republic Mortgage Bankers at 110 Jericho Turnpike, where you can reach them at 718-380-0006. But Chris, the credit doctor, is here. Yes, Chris.
I wanted to say something also. You know, I'm on the looking at ESPN the other day, and the guy for the Steelers was guaranteeing the victory. Well, I'm going to tell you this: for you calling today, I'm going to guarantee you're going to receive some life-changing information, because if you're not taking the steps that you're not conscious of your credit report, I guarantee you will be once you get this information. I can email this information to you also within seconds. I have my notebook computer here today. Your credit report could be sent to you also. The information I'm going to give you is credit tips that's going to help you change your life. You need to be more conscious of your credit. This, if you own a home, getting ready to buy a home, or you say, no, I don't know what to do, call and get the information. It's free.
There you go. So people, make the call right now. Chris, thank you so much, man. I'm going to open up the phone lines so you can speak with all these people. Once again, folks, Chris Arsenault, the credit doctor, is in the building.